In this video, I'll detail how to turn on Wi-Fi calling on iPhone. So if you're outside the network coverage and you want to make a phone call, all you could lay hands upon is to turn on Wi-Fi and connect to available Wi-Fi network. Then you can turn on Wi-Fi calling to put a call through to your contact. So if at the end of this video you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to turn on Wi-Fi calling on iPhone, all you just need to do is go to your iPhone settings. Then, on the settings page, click on mobile service or cellular service. This depends on your location. So in my own case, I have option for mobile service. So if you have mobile service, go ahead and click on that. And if you have the option for cellular service, go ahead and click on that. Now, once you selected mobile or cellular service, scroll down until you get to your network section. Then you should say Wi-Fi calling. Click on that. Now, once you click on that, you should say Wi-Fi calling on this phone. Then turn this on. There you go. Enable Wi-Fi calling. Call performance and test may be affected. Then to turn on Wi-Fi calling, come here and tap enable. Then that's all you need to do. And Wi-Fi calling will turn on the device. So that is basically how to turn on Wi-Fi calling on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.